Hi, my name's Michael. I'm from Austin, Texas, and I decided to attend this academy because I recently got my 107 license. I've been doing some flying for work, and I wanted to look at different opportunities and possibilities in starting my own business. I got a lot out of the first day, particularly from the marketing aspect, what customers are looking for, how to identify, and a lot of the pitfalls in marketing your own business, whether it be a drone business or any other business. So if you're thinking about doing this, I highly recommend that you take the plunge and do it. It's well worth the money. And I'm really looking forward to the next 2 days to see what else I have yet to learn and can apply to a future business. Good luck.